Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. With Republic Day around the corner, let's indulge in some tricolour treat today. Today, we'll be making tricolour semolina cake. It's a very simple and a quick cake recipe which you can just prepare in minutes. So let's get started. So firstly, we'll take 1 cup of water. Into this, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and we'll keep it aside for 5 minutes. Then in a bowl, we'll take 1.5 cup of semolina or suji. So here goes 1 cup and half cup more. Into this, we'll add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can even use brown sugar if you want. Then add 1/3 cup of oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And then goes our milk mixture into it. I will keep little milk aside. Now we'll combine everything well. There it goes, and then we'll add the balanced milk. So this batter is ready. Now we have to keep it aside for at least for 15 to 20 minutes till semolina puffs up well. It's been 20 minutes. The batter is looking little thick to me, so I will add little more milk into it. With a gentle hand, combine milk in the batter, and then goes 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Combine it with the batter. Do not use rigorous motion here, just gently fold in. And our batter is ready. Next, we'll divide this batter in 3 equal portions because we want to make a tricolour cake. So using a cup, I will divide the batter equally in 3 parts. Then we'll keep this white portion aside and we'll add food colors in rest of the 2 portions. So here I have edible green color and edible food color with me. Just add a pinch of both the colors in each of the batter. These are edible food colors and very easily available in the market. So we'll mix it well. So this is a green colored batter and this one is orange color batter. So now we have all the 3 colored batters ready and it's time to assemble it. So I have lined my 9 inches rectangle baking dish with a parchment paper. Into this, firstly we'll pour in green colored batter at the base. Spread it gently. Then we'll top it with white batter. And after that goes the orange color batter. So there it goes. Now we'll take a skewer like this and we'll gently move it in random direction because we want to create that marble effect in our cake. So just move it in a wavy manner. That's about it. It's time to bake our cake. I've already preheated my microwave. And then you can bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes until it is baked properly. If you are baking this cake in an air fryer, then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 27 minutes. And even you can bake it in a kadai or a cooker. Just spread salt at the base, let it heat up for 5 minutes, and after that bake the cake at lowest flame for at least 35 to 40 minutes. So our cake is ready. We'll demold it. And just look at this. It's baked perfectly well. And now it's time to cut it. This cake turns out very tasty, very delicious. With this tricolour twist, it is looking even more attractive. And you can definitely make this cake in just few minutes. Very simple one. No special ingredients are required. Just the normal ingredients which are usually available at home. Just have a closer look at this piece. It's perfectly done. Crispy from outside, soft from inside. Perfectly baked semolina tricolour cake. So friends, do try out this recipe. I'm sure you will really like the taste of it. Let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.